Hi everyone, welcome to IPT Solution. Today in this video we are going to see 10 most powerful Chrome extension for a developer. So if you like this video, make sure you are going to hit the subscribe button and you can like this video also. So let's begin our video. We will see our first Chrome extension, that is what font. So basically what font is a Chrome extension which will help us to know which font we are using. As you can see as an example in an image, we are shown that we can see here the font style, but all the necessary details about the font like font size, line height, color, weight, like style, what is there, and all things. This is very helpful if you are on any website and want to see which font is used. This tool can easily help you to show the font. Now we will jump to the next Chrome extension, that is second. So second is Colorzilla. So Colorzilla will help you to pick any color from your screen, and it is very helpful if you go to any website and want to know which color is used here. This Chrome extension will help you to know that which color is used. So now after that is technology profiler. So basically this will help you to know that a website is built in which tech stack. Like if the website is built in React, in some other framework, then this tool will help you to know. In some cases you might want to know, like if you want to know that in which tech stack this is built, then this tool is very helpful for you. Now next Chrome extension is JSON formatter. So basically JSON formatter will help you to preview the JSON data in Chrome colorfully, which is very wonderful and good to understand the structure of JSON. After that is fake pillar. So basically while you are testing your application, so you need fake data, you need to fill some fake data. So fake pillar will help you to fill the forms immediately and fastly with the fake data. Now next is CSV viewer. So CSS viewer. So this Chrome extension will help you to basically this is no longer, there are some alternative. Basically this will help you to know if any element, like if this element, what are the styles to be used on this element. This will help you to show CSS viewer. After that is daily dev. So basically daily dev is a Chrome extension which will appear on the home screen, as you can see on this screen. So here the latest blog, what is going on this tech industry, you can come to know easily with the help of daily dev. So you can install this. This is very helpful. Even I am using this from last 1 month, and it's really cool. After that is chatbot SEO, web speed and security tester. So this Chrome extension will help us to know, it will analyze our website and help us to know what are the improvement need to be done for SEO purpose. And this is really cool, which I have used for my own SEO purpose, and I am getting a better results. Now next is a user agent switch from Chrome. So now if we have an example, if you're testing a website and you want that how my website will look in Chrome or Firefox or Android or iOS app, so means mobile. So how you can test that? This Chrome extension will help you to view the website in different operating systems or Chrome browsers. Now next is that is the last, and that is quick source viewer. So basically quick source viewer will help you to view the source code of a website fastly and neat and clean. This is no more longer available right now. Alternatively you can use other example like other Chrome extensions. I was using these before, but they are no available more. So these are the best 10 Chrome extensions which you can use in your daily life as a developer. So let me go through once again. So Colorzilla, what font, this is a technology profiler. After that JSON formatter, fake filler, CSS viewer, daily dev, chatbot, user agent switcher from Chrome, and quick source viewer. I hope guys you like this video. If you like this video, make sure you are going to hit the subscribe button, and we will catch up in the next video. Thank you.